from your tree to the dinner table to all decorations, you can save some money this year and do it yourself at home.
It is easier, faster, and cheaper than you think. All you need is an idea. And joining us now is interior designer John McClain with his favorite DIY
And you
ideas.
have lots of ideas.
I got ideas, girls.
Yes,
I
good to see you.
do.
Y'all look like Christmas.
Yeah.
We do. We're a Christmas tree,
It
aren't
was
we?
not. It wasn't like intentional, but I love it that it happened.
It's perfect. It's perfect.
Everything looks so beautiful, and you said that it's really easy stuff to do. It's some work.
Some,
Easy's key.
some of it's a little more work than others, and some things are like so brainless you can do it in your sleep. So I can start with the brainless one, and we can work our way up to the little more complicated one.
Okay,
if
let's
you will.
start with the brainless one.
Yeah, so everybody has leftover ornaments, or maybe you have some antique ornaments that you just really cherish. So I just like to take them and get a really big glass container, mix them all up in there, and you can display them. They're not going to get harmed. Your animals aren't going to knock them over, but you can still see them. And now they have these really great LED lights that are battery operated.
Look at the batteries back here, and then it just lights up the bowl a little bit.
They
I'm
flash.
definitely going to do that. That's easy.
It's so great, and I collect ornaments from the 40s and the 50s, and I kind of put them in here so I can see them and not have to worry about them getting knocked off the tree by my dogs. So,
Okay.
yeah,
That's a great
This
idea.
took you a lot more time, though, but it's so gorgeous.
this is a little more work. Yes, you're right, but this is the final result that you see from it. And I'm going to give you a quick little rundown of how that would work. So you essentially, excuse me, Lou. So you essentially start with your wreath mold here. So this is just a simple little thing you buy at the craft store. And then you're going to take your ornaments and you're going to start on the outside edge, your handy glue gun in gold, of course, for the holidays. And then you just start on the outside and you glue your ornaments all the way around on the outside. And then you do the inside, and then you fill in the blanks with everything else. So I have 3 different sizes of ornaments on here, and they're plastic ornaments, so you don't have to worry about breaking them, any of those things. I've been doing this wreath for probably 20 years, so I started at 5 years old, obviously. And, and you know, in the past, they were all glass ornaments. Now they're plastic, so they're really durable.
And
they'll last.
inexpensive.
Totally, and and here's the best part. These are pre-mixed, so you don't the guesswork is gone when you're putting these together. They're already pre-mixed in the container, and you just apply them to the wreath as
This
you
would
go.
be a really great activity to do with kids.
Yeah,
They like to.
They have to be careful with that.
You just have to control the gun.
Yes.
I have to
always
be
get-
careful with the gun myself.
Do you have any tips? Because I feel like glue gets everywhere.
It's the more expensive gun you
Control.
buy, the better. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
that's
exactly.
Let's talk about
Okay,
this.
yes.
This is fun.
You
So
ready?
these are cranberries in water.
This is my
so easy.
non-patented 30-second Christmas centerpiece. So you start with your vase, and then I like to add fresh cranberries. I'll let you pour those in. Super easy.
And you just put a little water in there.
And water, and these are from the produce section of your grocery store. And then you just put your flowers in. Easy peasy.
And then you've got a little bit of pop of color.
You zhuzh it, and you kind of get them where you want them, and voila. And I use hydrangeas for yours.
Look, there's roses.
Here's
I like
one
this
with
one.
roses, yeah.
That's
and
really easy.
This will last about 2 weeks, I would say, with the cranberries in there. So it's kind of a way to freshen it up and just add a little bit of organic materials to what your centerpiece is.
And if you're going to have people over,
Yes.
I like this plate design here.
So what I do is, whether it's my mantle or whether it's my table, I like to do a very basic neutral background. So you're going to have your greenery, and I put a little bit of silver mercury glass candles here. And then as I have a dinner party, I will add in fresh fruit. So these are real fruits, pears and pomegranates, all kinds of things. And here's a little fun thing. If you're serving apple pie, put apples. If you're serving a pear tart, put pears on the
it's a
table.
healthier option.
Yeah, kind of theme it around, so it makes it really fun. And one other thing I like to do, and this is along the simple category of things, is just take your ornaments. Again, these can be your favorite ones or any ones that you have. String them with a beautiful ribbon. Whoop, I hope it doesn't pop out. And then you'll see on the front here, I arrange them. You can put these on your doorway, you can put them in front of your tables, you can put them on a chandelier. They're really gorgeous on a chandelier to kind of make it
And
feel
do
like
it with a ribbon or an invisible string. I've seen
if you
before
wanted,
too.
yes, if you wanted. Now,
Finally, over here.
finally, another way to kind of
jars?
display your favorite things, I like to use bell jars. You can kind of create your own little diorama inside of there, or find a favorite ornament that you have. Really, it just makes that feel more special and just elevates something so simple into something more nice.
John, this is so good.
We did it, girls. We
Yes,
did it.
we're
We're
gonna
ready
have
for
to go
Christmas.
Do you have an Instagram that has all these things on there?
Yes, I certainly.
is it?
And as a matter of fact, I'm going to put all the background behind this on my Instagram. It's John McClain Design on Instagram, and you can go to my website, johnmcclaindesign.com.
And by the way, he's a fabulous interior decorator. Good stuff. He was
what a
just
fun
honored
job.
by
El Decor.
El Decor.
Yeah.
Very fancy. Good
meet
stuff.
you.
Thank you, ladies.
All right.